How to fix Roblox age verification not working. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, simply open up your browser and then tap on the three dot. Scroll below, tap on settings. Inside settings, simply tap on privacy and security and then tap on third-party cookies. Now inside here, scroll below again, tap on see all site data and permissions. And then in the search bar, type in Roblox. Now simply tap on the stress icon to clear Roblox cache. Next, clear cache on your computer. Head back to your home screen. In the search bar, simply search for run and then tap on enter. Now in this box, you need to go ahead and simply type in %local app data % and then click OK. Now, open the temp folder and just like that inside here, delete Roblox folder. After clearing these caches, reopen Roblox and then check if the age verification issue is resolved. That's it. Roblox should now let you complete age verification without any issue. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.